Guys, it's Damon from Daily Driven Exotics. We had an absolute issue. Our car destroyed, but you know what? We love this game. One of the best teams on Gumball came to the rescue and gave us this beautiful. Now, it's not without risk. You got to take some risk. And let me tell you, today is the day we're going to the Mugello Italian racetrack. That's right. I think he said I could race the, let's see what kind of lap time. Alright fam, got another insane video for you guys today. Yep, the car community news. Yesterday I made a video letting y'all know that DDE had transmission problems, differential blew out, and yep, your boy brought it to you first, as well as a bunch of additional Gumball footage. On this one, Damon is back, got another supercar. I'm going to show it to you guys. He's going to speak out here, and you guys can hear what he has to say and see the new car that they're going to be using for Gumball, as well as Mr. JWW. Man, car torn apart. It's not looking good. Let me get you straight to the video.
And if you want some good footage, you want some Fast and Furious footage, this is the man to follow.
Tommy G. McGee. Say hi to Lucci's boys.
Lucci!
Good to see you, man.
Lucci has really strong knuckles. They give him a fist bump. I always have bruises out.
Hey, bro. Legend.
You're the man, my boy.
This is a local legend.
My brother.
Hit that subscribe button. Stop messing around.
That's right.
Alright fam, got a wild video for you guys today. This is the car community news. Subscribe, it's free to subscribe. It don't cost you a thing. I keep you up with the latest and the greatest in all the car community news, as well as I do vlogs, car meets, you name it. Just did Monterey Car Week. I do SEMA, I do all the car meets, and you name them. Usually I'm there. But this video, yep, DDE Damon is back. Joined another team, got another supercar. I'm going to bring you guys the clip so you can hear what he has to say. He's going to speak out and let everyone know what's going on, as well as Mr. JWW. Yep, I showed that yesterday as well. Big problems, oil pouring everywhere. The car apparently seems to be apart, so I'll show you a little bit of that. And I'm going to get you guys a bunch of most recent Gumball footage from just yesterday, today. So hang steady, smash that like and subscribe, leave a comment. Let's go.
Spettacolo. How you doing? You alright? Yeah, very good. Amazing, amazing. The color on this car is amazing. Raga, sto verde da vicino è pazzesco. Can we hear it?
You know, like I've been driving through Milan, through Bologna, and now all the way.
It's great people to still see, so.
Well, listen, it's not a rally without a little bit of drama, right? Can you tell us about the vehicle that you chose to do this rally in this year?
So I went for a bit of comfort and speed and style this time. So I'm in a Brabus 700 Cullinan special kind of edition. And Locke, my co-driver, is with me today. My wife is with me on some of these days as well this time, so I needed a bit of luggage space this year.
You've got a little bit of extra luggage in the back seat right there, can I see?
Yeah, I've got someone hiding in the back right now. I'm not sure if she wants to even say hello, but my daughter in the back, Jagger, she's 22 today, so you gotta give a big cheer for my daughter, right?
Florence, we need to give it up. Can we sing happy birthday to Jagger, please? Happy birthday to... Happy birthday to... Happy birthday, Jagger. Damon, talk to us. How did you end up in the Bentley, man?
Well, we had a Revolto, we started with that, and it decided to blow up, locked up the rear differential, and almost put us in the lake. But we safely slid it off to the side of the road in Serbia, stayed up till 2 a.m., dragged it onto a tow truck. And thanks to our good friend, give it up for English Andy in the Bentley. English Andy saved us, and we've been driving in luxury all day today, 12 hours.
So have you guys taken turns in driving the Bentley, or has it been all down to English Andy?
Now, you don't drive in Bob Bishop Bentley. You get driven. Andy, what do you think, mate?
Today has been one of the best fucking days on Gumball. I can't even talk about it, but today was mental. It felt like old school Gumball, proper. It was insane.
He's only saying that because we put a gun to his head. But guys, thank you so much for coming out. We love you. Have a great night.
Could be engine or trans.
Right, you spoke way too soon. Just quickly, Dan.
But like,
how many gearboxes have you been through?
3. Look at it.
Been through 3 gearboxes.
Look under here.
Oh my god.
And it's been coming out all over.
So my Revuelto seems to have blown something. Engine or gearbox.
Let's open your.
There's oil dripping out of it. There's oil all over here. And look at this. There's oil sprayed all over here. This could be like rally over stuff, because that's not good.
All right, guys, it's Damon from Daily Driven Exotics. We had an absolute issue. Our car destroyed, but you know what? We love this game. One of the best teams on Gumball came to the rescue and gave us this beautiful Ferrari Roma. Now, it's not without risk. You got to take some risk. And let me tell you, today is the day we're going to the Mugello Italian racetrack. That's right. I think he said I could race the Roma. So let's see what kind of lap times we get. We'll see you on the road.
Salut tout le monde, on est chez RM Autosport.
Ciao ragazzi, ça va? Obligé.
Changed.
Decided to have our coffee.
Got our coffee. We got the most beautiful service center I've ever seen. Got it here. Where is it? Bentley Frenze. We like you. Thank you, Bentley Frenze. Hello. Grazie. Yes, we are finally getting the shit done. Let's go. Gumball 3000. Best week in the fucking world at Mugello. Yes. Mugello. This is sick. Oh. Oh. Wow. The Lamborghini Museum. This is incredible.
Hello, how are you?
Good, how are you? You made it. All good with the windshield wiper? Yeah. Hell yeah. Wow. This boat, this Lamborghini boat is actually crazy. Oh my God. Holy shit. Hey. Whoa. Oh, diablo. The original Lamborghini tractors. This is amazing. This place is incredible. What are the odds they would have Mulsanne in the Bentley, an original Mulsanne in the deep, the black sapphire? What? What are the odds? Wow. The original Lamborghini Pope-mobile. This is crazy. Polish Pope. It's literally the Pope's chair. That is amazing. It's a good start to the day.
Yeah, exactly.
We are here. Yes.
Yeah, and we are again in trouble. First the keys, then we get lost, then the police yesterday. Our police now. No, actually, I'm a good luck. I bring a good luck now.
Because it's a race car and the vapor lock, they have to literally put the fucking this in there to open the fuel. Oh my God, it smells. I'm about to get fucking lightheaded off that shit. And then they have to pump on this side because they don't have the fuel dump. It's absolutely insane. This is my fucking favorite car on the goddamn rally. This thing is amazing. We are fucking cruising. Stuck in crazy traffic. Everyone's getting out the cars. Don't know what's going on. There's some fucking shit going down. So we're gonna launch the drone, find out what's happening. Oh, see something. The drone's gonna find out. The drone will find out what's the traffic.
Yeah, I'll go now. Let's find out why we still have traffic there.
Oh yeah.
Okay, cool. Listen up. Let's do all together some group pictures or something. Yeah.
No, this is when in traffic you bring your own seat.
Us, where is Ash? Okay, you see Ash? Now look. Yeah, now look. This is Ash. Then you go. Then I'm gonna go. Like look. This is all standing.
as well as looks like Shmme is joining Gumball 3000 in Italy, in Florence. So bring you guys another video on that soon as well. Let's see if DDE and Shmme get along. Maybe they reconcile and put their differences to the side. Maybe not. Anyways, just stay tuned. Another video on the way with the rest of that information.
Thanks a lot. I appreciate you. I appreciate the new subscribers. Hopefully you smash the like button. It really helps the algorithm to get it out there for other people can see the car community news. And man, hope you guys like the footage. Again, appreciate all y'all. Peace.
Trust, or you don't rust.